Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and in today's edition, we want to learn simple sentences in the Luo language. I have a little cold, but I hope this will go on all right, and you'll hear me fine. So let's start with this word, happy. Happy is more. More. In a sentence, an kod mor kawuono. An kod mor kawuono. An kod mor kawuono. Secondly, dog is guok. 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 And love is hera. 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 In a sentence, nyako no ohero nyaguoge ma jaber no. Nyako no ohero nyaguoge ma jaber no. Again, nyako no ohero nyaguoge ma jaber no. Now this sentence has been lost in translation because of the word cute. So that cute would be nice or beautiful, and a cute dog would be a small dog. So that's why we said nyaguoge. Because if you say guok, or if you say the dog guok, like we had it here, then it means that it's a big dog, or we understand guok to be a big dog. But if you say nyaguok, then we understand that it's a small dog, and we start relating it to smaller species, like smaller species of dogs. Okay, so that's why it's lost in translation. Now, the next one is friends, and friends is OCP. 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 That is friends. And forever is nyaka chieng. Nyaka chieng. Nyaka chieng. That's forever. So, one osiepe nyaka ma nyaka chieng. One osiepe ma nyaka chieng. This apostrophe brings the ng sound. One osiepe ma nyaka chieng. One osiepe ma nyaka chieng. We are best friends. So best is not yet here. And friends is just friends. So best is not yet translated in this case. It's just we are friends forever. One osiepe ma nyaka chieng. Then the other one is night is otieno. Otieno. And read is somo. Somo. Read. Somo. So, osomo ga buge. Osomo ga buge pile otieno. Osomo ga buge pile otieno. Again. Osomo ga buge pile otieno. Good. Now the next one is soccer or adula. 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 So in a sentence, and school doesn't change because school is a recent term. It has just been Luo localized to cool, so that they just took out the spelling and just said cool. So gitugo ga adhula bang' sikul. Gitugo ga adhula bang' sikul. Again, gitugo ga adhula bang' sikul. Okay. Then we look at now, which is sani. Sani. And rain is koth. Koth. The T and the H has to sound, and you sound it with the th. Koth. 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 So in a sentence you can say koth. Koth. Chue. Sani. Again. Koth. Chue. Sani. Koth. Chue. Sani. Okay. Then we look at color red. So the color red is rakwar. Rakwar. And beautiful is jaber. Jaber. So beautiful is jaber and red is rakwar. In a sentence, in jaber gi nanga ma rakwar. Now the translation would have been lost if we don't put the word nanga. Nanga is a cloth, so if you would have just said in jaber gi rakwar, it would have not made any sense. So instead we added context to say that you're beautiful, but in the red cloth. Okay, so that's why the word nanga is put in there. In jaber gi nanga ma rakwar. In jaber gi nanga ma rakwar. All right. The next one is kony. Kony. Now say again, just like the other one, the N and the Y has to come out as a ny. And the teach, the T, the C and the H has to come out as ch. So teach. Amanyo. Kony gi tijni. Amanyo kony gi tijni. Okay, again, amanyo kony gi tijni. Amanyo kony gi tijni. Then we look at the next one, which is rom and siwanda. Warom e siwanda, or warom e pak, or warom e kar yueyo. So because park is a recent addition, there are very many translations of what a park would be like. So we would say a siwanda. Now for a siwanda, that is a park where there's going to be a solemn ceremony. But for a normal park, I don't think we have a nice name for it. So warom e kar yueyo. Kar yueyo is a place where people go and relax. So warom e kar yueyo would be more appropriate, okay? Warom e kar yueyo. Warom e siwanda. Warom e park. Then the last one is muol. 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 For this, you have to pronounce all the syllables. Muol. Muol. Or, and the other, each other is uwegi. 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 So, in a sentence, you'll say, bed ma muol ne un uwegi. Again, bed ma muol ne un uwegi. Bed ma muol ne un uwegi. Now, I hope this has strengthened your syllables. It has strengthened your enunciation of words, notwithstanding my very bad voice. But I hope that the journey has to go on, whether people are sick or not. Okay. Wish you well, and please put comments on the comment section so I can always react to them. Goodbye.